Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add someone as a trusted connection in Roblox. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to add a trusted connection here in your PC, so if you're using Roblox or you're playing Roblox via your PC, well, adding one is quite easy. Now, the first thing that you need to remember is you need to use the official app for Roblox. So if you're just using or accessing the website for Roblox, which is roblox.com, and clicking on the add friends option, you won't see the option or notification here that allows you to add trusted connections. So again, you want to go open up the actual app. And in here, you want to go and click on add friends again at the top left, and you should now see the my QR. Now, if you click on my QR, this will show the actual QR code of your account. And you can also copy your profile link here if you want to share this to your other friends. So they could basically add you as a friend and you can go and just accept that. Now, the thing with this one is if you add someone via this way, they will be automatically added as a trusted connection. So you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.